pro. My God, there's another one round here coming in oven.
I can see clearly now the rain is
Oh. Hello and welcome to Cairo, part of my Egyptian adventure. We're just rocking up in the city centre. We're going to have a little walk around, see what we can see. How we doing? Yeah, nice to see you. What are you doing in here? Making bread.
Huh?
Making bread. Yeah, let's get in here.
Push your best. Push your
Hiya,
best.
you're alright. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. How we doing? Just come to see him with bread making machine. Oh wow. Get me one of these. Yeah? You want to see me and you? What a pro. My God, there's another one round here coming in oven.
مش هيعرف مش هتعرف تعالى كده مش هتعرف تعالى ده محمد لو
Oh God, you guys are great. Yeah, nice. Oh. Where are we going now? Oh yeah, I'll give it a little pat. What about this guy? What's he doing?
يلا سرعة
Oh yeah, this is why we've come. Great stuff. Classic. Big mixing machine. Right, I'm out of here now. Oh my God, what a sweat on! How much? Take me one of them. This here, give me one of them.
Well, I've come outside and I've tried to buy some bread as a way of saying thanks for letting me come around your factory.
Yeah, take it. Oh, right. Crispy. Yeah, I'll take that. That's for you.
كام؟
Yeah.
انت عدد دي كم الوقت؟ كام؟ واحد؟ عايز واحد؟
Yeah.
عايز واحد؟
Yeah.
بس كمل عايز ايه؟
Sorted. Take it. Oh, really? I'm taking it. You sure? Right. Thank you. I'm giving you money. Do you want the money? Right. I don't know. Are you tricking me? Take it. Right, I'm off. See you. Bye. Oh, I've got a right sweat on. That was just too much for me to take. You wouldn't even take this money for bread. Right, let's have a try of it. God knows how you're supposed to eat this. Got that flour paste all over my hands. Right, let's give this a go. What? Hello.
After I'd walked around a bit, I started seeing them breads everywhere.
What's this stuff?
This is chicken.
Chicken. All right.
This cow.
Can I try some?
Want some Dutch?
Yeah.
Turns out that after you leave them for a while, they must go soft. Because this guy was selling them with chicken inside.
One?
Yeah, I'll take a chicken and I'll take a cow.
One cow, one chicken?
Yeah, that's perfect. England?
England?
Yeah, from UK.
Okay.
Yorkshire.
You're good man.
Oh, thank you. Give it a good squeeze.
This
Sorted. Oh, no, I don't need any of that in. No.
What?
No, it's alright. Just take that.
Yeah, 5 pounds. Yeah.
So I don't know what this is. How were these two? That's well, I thought it'd be. I've just got bread all over camera. Right. I hope you had fun in there. I definitely did. See you later. Bye.